Hi, this is Dr. Casey Triumph with Saskatoon Direct. I'm going to tell you all about how to get your Nutra-eval test collected. I'm really excited about doing the Nutra-eval test because it really helps us look under your hood to figure out what's going on. What it does is help us take your proteins, carbohydrates, and fats and how you make energy. It looks at your amino acids, it looks at your essential fats, and it really looks at all of the nutrients in your blood and urine to help us know what you're missing. So it's really important that we do this test right. Most of the time, we will have you schedule this appointment before you leave if we've decided that you need to have this test. We will either give you just the urine to collect at home, or we'll go ahead and give you the whole kit. So if you have the whole kit, what you're going to do is get home, you'll take off the lid, you can read through all of the instructions. The first thing you're going to want to do is label all of your pieces of paper for your tubes. So get those labeled. And then the first bag that you will see is the bag that we use to collect your urine tubes. And so what you're going to do is the night before you come in to collect your blood, you will also collect your urine. You will want to do some particular things before you do this test. The first one is about 4 days prior to taking this test, you want to quit all of your non-essential supplements and vitamins, as well as medications. So if you have any questions about whether you should continue or stop a medicine, let me know. But I would rather have you stop most everything 4 days before the test. In the 24 hours before the test, you should not have any fish or shellfish. You need to be fasting after midnight, and you shouldn't drink more than 64 ounces of water in the 24 hours before the test. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a urine collection container and put it in your bathroom before you go to bed. And if you wake up like at 4 in the morning, you're going to go ahead and collect your urine at that time and put it in the refrigerator. And then if you have to go to the bathroom again when you wake up for the first morning urination, you'll go ahead and collect that again and add that to the urine that you collected early. If you don't wake up through the night and just wake up the first time at 7 o'clock, then just go ahead and collect your urine then. If you're a female and you're menstruating, you need to reschedule this test. Once you've collected your urine, what you're going to do is you're going to take the pipelle that's in your kit right here, and you're just going to fill up all 3 of these tubes until they're nearly full. And then you'll make sure the lids are on tightly, and you'll shake them, each one. And I would suggest that you go ahead and put the labels on before you actually put the urine in. And then you'll put these back into the biohazard bag, like so. And you'll put this in your freezer until you come in to get your blood drawn. And again, this should be done the morning of your blood draw, so you'll put them in the freezer. It'll start to get frozen, but it may not be totally frozen before you come in. And then if you look farther into your box, you will notice that there's some vials that we will use to collect your blood. And there is a freezer block. Very important for you to go ahead and put this in the freezer the night before the test so that it's frozen for when we send your test away. Also, on the very left-hand side is the requisition form. I will fill out this side of your requisition form. You will fill out this side of your requisition form. So you'll want to complete all of your information, like your name and date and birth and city. You'll want to list your payment information, and we should have let you know how much this is going to cost you before you leave our clinic. And then you will sign the bottom. And then I will fill out the top part, and you will bring all of this with you into your blood draw, which will be done at Saskatoon Center, and we will package the rest of this kit and send it off for you. Hope this is helpful.